Welcome, everyone. I'm Tracy Fitzpatrick, and I'll be your moderator today. Thank you so much for joining us here at Netcom Learning, a market leader in promoting lifelong learning, training, and talent development solutions. We are very excited to host today's event, Cisco's Next Gen Networking, powered by AI. Presenting today's topic is Talib Bikhtari. As a certified Cisco systems instructor and a Netcom Learning subject matter expert, Talib is an IT veteran with over 24 years of specializing in the data center, security, and service provider network infrastructure. With his domain expertise in network consultancy, training, pre-sales, project management, virtualization, client server support, system architect and design, system administration, as well as network design setup, and problem identification resolution, he has trained diverse corporate clients and individual students. Now, please bear in mind that this is an overview of a very robust topic. We offer a collection of technical and business courses that can be tailored to your specific requirements. If you are interested in a further discussion, you can make an appointment with our learning consultants through our website at netcomlearning.com. Today's session is also being recorded, so you'll get free access to the recording in the next 24 hours via email. Netcom Learning helps customers build innovative learning organizations by achieving a smarter workforce, adapting to change, and driving growth. We do this with a broad catalog of offerings, developing customized learning plans, and our global delivery capabilities. Since 1998, we have been empowering organizations with our managed learning services to help them reach optimal performance results and address challenges. We do have 9 practice areas in which we specialize. They encompass people, process, and technology training. Today's presentation is from the networking practice area. Netcom Learning offers a comprehensive training portfolio of courses for the topic being covered today. Our upcoming classes include various trainings on the given courses. You can also access a variety of marketing assets, such as the free training and blogs, by clicking on the available event handout. These offerings can be found with a simple search on our website at netcomlearning.com. Today's session will help you understand how Cisco Next-Gen AI can handle repetitive network management tasks and free your IT staff to focus on more strategic initiatives. This session will provide an overview of how AI can help you deploy a streamlined AT operation with faster response times and reduced human error. And now I would like to give you a quick overview of the logistics before we get started. To begin with, you do have the option to view in full screen by clicking on the full screen button on the right side of the GoToWebinar viewer. Simply hit the escape key to exit the full screen. Everyone has been muted except for our presenters. Feel free to submit any questions you have for the presenters here in the questions pane, and we will address them at the end of the session. And to get the best out of today's events, we've included the slides, courses we talk about, and marketing assets in the handout section of your GoToWebinar viewer. You may refer to them at any time to get a better understanding of today's topic. And we do realize that some of you may have to leave early and want to let you know that as you do leave the session today, you will be presented with a short survey. We would like to request for you to take a quick moment to participate in that survey. Your feedback really helps us understand your learning experience and improve our future sessions for you. The survey answers are measured on a scale of 1 to 5, 5 representing outstanding and 1 representing poor. And now I'd like to pass this over to our trainer to present today's topic. Hey, Talib, thank you so much for joining us today.
Guys, today we have Cisco webinar, Cisco Next Generation Networking powered by AI. Okay. So in this training, we're going to talk about different topics. Okay. Like what we're going to discuss how we can capture comprehensive data capture capability. So it's a very important concept because in AI, without data, AI cannot take decisions. Okay, so how we can capture data. So according to Cisco networking perspective, we're going to talk about here. And then integration of AI across the portfolio. Cisco have a very good product, especially for AI. We're going to talk about that. Foundational flexible infrastructure. We're going to discuss infrastructure because Cisco provides network infrastructure. On top of that, we are running business application, and this time we're going to run AI based business application. So how Cisco deal with AI based business applications, we're going to talk about here, and why Cisco have very flexible infrastructure. Okay, we're gonna also discuss security is very important. Security first approach in AI deployment, we're gonna talk about here also. Okay, and after that, you guys can ask question answers. I really like questions. Okay, you guys can ask anything, especially about AI. Okay, so let's start. First of all, we're gonna discuss what is artificial intelligence. Okay, the process of using sophisticated computer models to simulate the cognitive process of human thought. What you mean this? Let me explain in a simple word because this one is Cisco AI based network seminar. I'm going to give you first simple network example. Okay, what happens in real world, like human. Okay, we whenever somebody complain, let's see, there is a one user complain, my business application is not opening. Okay, Bob say, hey, desktop support, my business application is not opening. So as a desktop support guy or as a network engineer, what you can do, you can use your human intelligence, your previous knowledge. Okay, and based on that, you're going to figure out where is the problem. So let's see, you ask questions to Bob. Hey Bob, your business application is not working. Beside you, Tom is sitting. Can you please check with Tom? Look, if his Tom business application is working, and Tom say, yeah, mine is working. And then you have a second thought, oh, because business server is fine, because Tom is okay. So something wrong with my network. So let me just check network. So you can go and check networks, check routers, switches, and if it's cloud-based server, you can check with that. Okay, and then you figure out, and then you can provide solutions. So that's the way human thinks. That's the way human do jobs. Okay, or fix networking issues, or any other things. Okay, so the same type of intelligence actually we are expecting from systems, from machines. And so that's why we are using complex algorithms. We are using AI complex systems, and then we are having different approaches. Okay, like I can give you like simple example. Artificial intelligence, AI, basically is an umbrella term that can be explained as the, I mean, human intelligence, or like it's sort of simulation of human intelligence by computer system. These processes include learning, reasoning, and self-correction. Let's see, I can give you another simple example. Tina actually traveling from New York to Paris, and what she really want to do, she want to buy tickets, and then she really want to rent a car from Paris. And she gonna purchase things from credit card. I mean, she's traveling for vacation for 10 days in Paris. So what happens now, in a credit card business application have intelligence. So let's see, like if you can compare, like in 10 years before, or like older, or I mean like 20 years before. So that time, if she travels, so credit card application use strict security, I mean procedure. Oh, you are out of US and you are purchasing high amount of things, jewelry or something, so it's some scam or something happens, so they're not gonna allow. But nowadays, if you use same credit card from there, you're gonna buy your plane ticket. You really registered your, I mean, some other stuff. You did some registration or you rent a car. Okay, so same credit card when you're going to use for shopping, so that credit card have intelligence. Okay, so that artificial intelligence built in a credit card applications. Like remember I those days when I was traveling, so I called my bank, hey, look what I'm doing. I'm traveling, and then bank put manual information. So now same things we can do through artificial intelligence. So I can say in simple, if like we have lots of networking based information, like if years of technical knowledge can be embedded in the computer systems, AI algorithm can use mathematical software models to perform the same logical steps that a human would take to solve a certain query or issues. So that's the simple idea of artificial intelligence. How we can build artificial intelligence in Cisco networks, how Cisco product actually work. That's what we're going to talk about. And artificial intelligence will not work without machine learning. Machine learning basically is a method that enables machines to mimic intelligent human behavior by learning from data without being explicitly programmed. So I can say in simple word, normally, let's see if you can see simple, little bit older applications like software-based applications. Whatever you program, that application work according to that. So, but now applications are AI based. Basically, those applications have AI based intelligence. So now what happens? So those applications are getting informations from different data. Okay, like we have a data analyst, data scientists, and those data scientists big data. So basically they develop big database. So machine learning actually check with that database or check with that data, and then based on that machine learning will take a decision. So we can say in simple word, this method allows computer systems to self improve their performance on tasks such as visual recognitions, I mean natural language understanding, and physical action through data analysis and pattern recognition. So that is machine learning. Learning have actually different types of I mean, the way machine actually learn. Basically, we can say in simple words, supervised learning, unsupervised learning, and based on that, we have a big data, and then we have a reinforcement learning, and these kind of things actually happens through machine learning. Okay, so basic idea. Right now I'm not teaching artificial intelligence and machine learning here. I'm just giving you base idea so you guys understand what is machine learning, what is artificial intelligence. Okay, so now comprehensive data capture capability. So this is very important, okay? Because what happens, Cisco been networking world for last 35 years, and Cisco actually collecting anonymously telemetry data across thousands of networks, provides learning that can be applied to individual networks. So what happens, we are learning lots of information through internet, some other sources. We have lots of IoT devices, lots of users, computers. We are learning things from there, and that informations we really want to implement in our networks. We are learning information from one network and from other network, thousands, millions of networks. How it's possible I can actually use in my unique network, because every network is unique. Hey, my network is different, your network is different, you are using different applications, I'm using different application, but there are lots of things are same. So every network is unique, but AI techniques let us find where there are similar issues and events and then we guide remediations. Okay, so let's see what happens when we grab information, and then most of the problems, errors, like I cannot access to my server, I cannot browse my internet, my printer is not working. These issues are common. So because of comprehensive data collections, because of comprehensive analytics, okay, so we can easily sort it out those issues. In some cases, machine learning algorithms may strictly focus on a given network. In other use case, algorithm may be trained across a broad set of anonymous data sets, and then you can get more data, you can get more intelligence, and based on that, AI basically take decisions. Okay, so we can say in simple world, AI depends on data. If data, let's see, if it's no data, if there is no information, AI doesn't work without the underlying data powering its functionality. However, the majority of respondents fell at the middle of the spectrum when it came to their data practice. A centralized, hygienic, sophisticated, and secure approach to data is crucial when it comes to AI readiness. Okay, so this is very important. We basically want accurate information. So that accurate information is possible when we are dealing with, proper data. So gain differentiated insight with visibility into data at scale across the network, security, applications, and your businesses. We're going to discuss different Cisco IO AI-based application, and then I'm going to explain more, okay, how Cisco actually provide network security, how Cisco analyze applications, and especially according to your business, what kind of human intelligence built in your Cisco networks and applications we're going to talk about. Cisco AI Network Analytics, actually, it's a part of Cisco DNA Center, okay, and applies advanced AI and machine technologies to provide unique anomaly detection. If somebody wanna mitigate your network, somebody wanna enter in your network, so we go for anomaly detections, and then how we can fix this issue. We go for remediations. We really wanted to see inside. If you cannot see, you cannot fix. So insights and trends. Okay, that's what Cisco provide in a Cisco DNA center, and its Cisco AI network analytics have that much intelligence. Like I mentioned before, with over 35 years of networking expertise, Cisco has developed more than 50 million network in the past 20 years. And this experience has allowed us to create the world's largest data platform. Because of that big data platforms, we basically grab lots of information. Security perspective, network operation perspective, and that informations we provide to our data, maybe supervised data, unsupervised data, reinforcement based data, and that intelligence built into Cisco products. So we're going to talk about that after a few slides. Okay, so let's see, right now I'm going to give you example how comprehensive data capture capability actually work. I always believe actually one picture is better than 1,000 word. So we're going to discuss here actually how this comprehensive data capture capability actually work. And for that, I'm going to use Cisco DNS Center feature called Cisco AI Network Analytics. That's what I was talking about. And this can apply advanced AI and machine learning technologies to provide unique anomaly detections, remediation, insights, and trends. So how this actually works. So if you guys notice, here we are having machine learning models, worldwide cloud-based data platform. So Cisco have a worldwide cloud-based big data platform. Behind the scene, we are running big data intelligence, collecting information from internet, IoT devices, some other resources, lots of other vendors, partners, and building that intelligence. And then we have another all machine reasoning interface. We have all machine reasoning, very powerful engine, inference engine. Okay, and that engine also provide informations to Cisco network analytics. Okay, this is Cisco network analytics. So we are having some on-premise and cloud-based analysis. So that information, if you notice, whatever we have worldwide cloud-based data platform, we are having different resources like we are running traceroute utilities. Really want to check your network. Okay, syslog, AAA, authentication, authorization, and accounting, talent, CLI, ping, MIB, IPSLA, router, wireless LAN controllers, IPAM, CMX, SNMP. So these are all technical services Cisco basically offer. So those technical intelligence services we are running worldwide on internet, we are running on personal networks. So that informations basically we collect through worldwide cloud-based data platform. That information goes to Cisco AI network analytics. Plus, we are having on-prem and cloud knowledge base. So we collect that data, and based on that, we provide accurate insight. This can improve performance also. Let's see. We have two types of approaches. One is reactive approach. One is proactive approach. Reactive means if you have any issue, then you react. Oh, something is not working. Let me just go and fix this problem. But I don't want that things actually happen. So we should go for proactive approach. So we need extensive monitoring, okay? And based on that monitoring and knowledge, we basically provide informations to network administrators or networks. Hey, look, your network is working right now. It's okay, but maybe in the future you will face those issues. Okay, so we have a proactive approach, and that kind of proactive approach, how it's possible, because Cisco have 35 years of top engineering knowledge, community, CX, TAG, Cisco fellows, distinguished engineers. So based on that information, based on your network behavior, based on your network monitoring, we basically provide that kind of prediction. See, sometimes you say network is not working. Sometimes you predict right now it's working, but later you're gonna have some issues. So let me fix right away. Okay. So we're not gonna face outage or some security issues. So comprehensive data capture capabilities, and behind the scene, we are using AI intelligence. Okay. So let's see, quick idea. We have fault detection engines are typically of the form if A is not working, then we can check B. We have different engines are working behind this Cisco AI network analytics. Cisco AI network analytic enhances the simple rule-based detection with AI and machine learning. And I would say thanks to years of experience in building some of the world largest and most advanced network, along with deep machine learning algorithm expertise, especially developed over the past decade, that is focused on networking problems. Cisco is uniquely able to provide the Cisco AI network analytics features, and which is very good, especially to figure out where is the problem, where is the malware, where is the security issue. So that kind of things actually built in Cisco DNA Center. So this is only possible when we go for comprehensive data capture. And based on that data, we take our AI-based decisions. Okay. I hope this is very good and informative for you. Now, integration of AI across the portfolio. So we're gonna discuss Cisco portfolio, how this Cisco portfolio actually works, and what kind of Cisco products we have. And so we're gonna talk about that. Okay. Cisco AI powered capability across entire products and customer service portfolio. Now, whatever new systems or new operating systems Cisco is launching, those operating systems infrastructure, routers, switches, data center switches, those physical devices, softwares, operating system have AI-based intelligence. Like I gave you example of Cisco AI Assistant, which is built in Cisco products. We have AI enhanced cybersecurity, which is also built in Cisco security appliances, like in a firewall, next generation firewalls. And we have AI ready infrastructure everywhere. Whenever if you have edge switches, like this is your place where you want to enter, where you connect your computers. This is your edge switch. You have a cloud level environment, or you have a data centers. So we have AI ready infrastructure everywhere. And for compute, Cisco have UCS X series modular system, which is new servers. Like we have a C series server, B series servers. Now in X series servers, we have AI based intelligence. Networking, Cisco have Nexus 9000 series switches. Those are having AI-based intelligence, application-centric infrastructure, ACI, and Cisco Nexus operating system. So let me repeat again. Cisco basically provide infrastructure. On top of that, you're going to run your AI-based application. So now whatever infrastructure we have on Cisco side, whatever operating systems and applications and monitoring we are running, those are AI capable. Okay. Let me tell you some AI related products, which is very popular. Okay. See here, incorporating AI and machine learning into network operations, Cisco has developed a suite of products and that stand at the forefront of AI ops. AI ops means AI operation. Okay. And so especially in AI operation, network engineering, we have these type of products. So we're gonna discuss those products one by one. Like I would say, I can give you basic idea. Let's see, start with Cisco Catalyst Center. Cisco Catalyst Center, it's a new form of Cisco DNA Center. Cisco started intent-based networking through Cisco DNA Center, and now we changed the name, and we are saying Cisco Catalyst Center, because behind the scene we have catalyst based switches intelligence. So at the heart of Cisco intent-based networking, Cisco Catalyst Center provides centralized management, automations, and orchestration for the entire network. So AI network analytics within Cisco Catalyst Center provides a comprehensive suite of features, including intelligent issue detections through AI-driven baselining and anomaly detection. Baselining means I know this is my normal operation, and now if my operation deviates, okay, look, that's the way normally my bandwidth work, that's the way my application work, but now there is a certain change, maybe there is some denial of service attack, so that kind of intelligence. Okay. And so this can detect very quickly if is there any anomaly, or we call it anomaly detection, proactive insights for identifying trends and patterns, and comparative benchmarking to understand network performance in relations to peers or other sites. So by continuously collecting and analyzing network data, Cisco AI network analytics adapts to changing network environment, helping IT teams to, preemptively addresses potential issues and enhance overall network performance. So very good product. So it's a very latest, greatest product. Cisco launched Cisco Catalyst Center. This one is alternate of Cisco DNS. Cisco DNS Center was also new, but now Cisco have a Cisco Catalyst Center, and this product have AI intelligence. And after that, we have a Cisco NDI. What do you mean Cisco NDI? Cisco Nexus. Nexus, and for Nexus, D for dashboard, and I for insight. Cisco Nexus Dashboard Insight. The Cisco Nexus basically it's a data center operating system, so manage data center switches. Okay, so serving as a unified management pane for data center network. It's a single pane of glass where you can manage your data center. Cisco Nexus data dashboard platform host application like Cisco Nexus Dashboard Insight, which uses AI and machine learning within its event analytics feature to refine the analysis of control plane events in a network infrastructure. Okay. So Cisco NDI captures a broad spectrum of information ranging from configuration changes to control plane, faults and events. If you guys notice what those products are doing, they are capturing informations, capturing data, and based on that capturing data, taking actually decisions. That's the way AI actually work. And then AI and machine learning algorithms, mathematical algorithms, actually basically we run on top of that collected data and to detect issues, and we basically note some changes, events, and faults. Finally, the anomaly detection phase, the result of the previous steps are used to identifying events and that deviates from the norm or cloud potentially disturb network operation. So this step is very important for network management, offering a proactive mechanism to spot and address issues before they escalate. So even those issues are coming before we can actually fix those problems. Okay, like in a simple, while you are driving a car, if you think maybe you're gonna get some transmission problem, right now it's working, but then you feel okay, so better to fix before. Okay, so we have Cisco NDI, and after that we have Cisco Meraki. Very exciting product. Like in a Cisco Meraki, you shipped devices on customer side, and once they collect with cloud, and then those devices grab configuration. So it's very automated environment. So you can control your multiple branches from cloud, and you just connect with one cloud and control your multiple branches worldwide. Okay. Let's say you have a branch in Paris, New York, Canada. So you can control from one location. Cisco Meraki actually have very advanced WAN analytics. And this can basically use machine learning algorithms to automate network provisioning, management, and troubleshooting, optimizing connectivity and uptime. In Cisco Meraki, AI enhances security through real-time threat detections and configuration, or we can say micro-segmentations, while also powering smart cameras and environmental sensors for monitoring safety and compliance. So we can say AI and machine learning generates operational insights, enabling rapid response to anomalies and process optimization. So very exciting product, Cisco Meraki, now having AI intelligence. We have Cisco App Dynamics. Cisco App Dynamics actually also have AI and ML technologies to enhance the observability. Like we can observe our network and we do monitoring and operational efficiency of both application and infrastructure. So we are running applications, we are running infrastructure through Cisco App Dynamics. We're gonna actually check both applications and infrastructure. Through its machine learning capabilities, App Dynamics automatically detects performance issues by establishing dynamic baseline that account for historical data, including time of day and seasonal variations. Okay, and this can simply facilitate immediate anomaly detection. So this is, crucial for maintaining optimal application performance, as it allows for the automatic identification of entities behaving outside of normal parameters. If things are not normal, maybe something is there. Maybe you know your bandwidth, you know how users are busy, and if you have a denial of service attack or somebody is capturing your information, so you have idea, oh, this is not normal, that's the way my network actually not work. Okay, so Cisco App Dynamics employs machine learning driven root cause analysis. We can use very nice graphs, and we can see that information. Okay, and we have Cisco Thousand Eye. You know, sometimes people thousand eyes. Actually, what happens now? Networking paradigm is totally changed. Like in older days, we have a server in my premises. I have my computer and I can access to my server. But now, most of servers are cloud-based. So let's see if you call company, hey, service provider, I have some problem to access my server. We have performance issue, and service provider runs some task and say, oh, it's not from our side. And you call cloud provider and cloud provider say, oh, it's not from our side. So once you run Cisco Thousand Eye, and Thousand Eye will tell you exactly where is the problem. It's on service provider side or cloud provider side, or it's your application, or it's your local network. So it's a very good troubleshooting tool. And Cisco Thousand Eye have now AI based intelligence. So that AI based intelligence and machine learning will provide very precise information in a very quick manner, and then you can troubleshoot your network in a quick way. So you know exactly where's the problem. It's on service provider side, or cloud provider side, and then you send information to cloud provider. Hey, look, I'm running Thousand Eye and I figure out something wrong here. And then this guy will take you seriously. Oh, okay. So that's why Thousand Eye is very important. You have lots of branches worldwide running, different cloud centers, or you are having server on different data centers. Okay. So Thousand Eye is a very good product, especially for AI perspective. And we have Cisco Secure Network Analytics. Okay. Uh, this security product uses machine learning to monitor network traffic in a real time, quickly identifying and responding to anomalies that could indicate security threats. Cisco Secure Network Analytics uses supervised learning. Like I mentioned, in machine learning, we have a supervised learning, unsupervised learning. Okay, so this can use supervised learning. In supervised learning, you have parameters already. Oh, this is normal behavior, this is abnormal behavior, and we simply compare. Okay, so supervised learning by analyzing historical network traffic data that has been categorized as either normal or malicious. Okay, so these are Cisco very exciting product. Are basically we use for Cisco AI Operation Center. Okay, so now AI ready infrastructure. Support and scale AI workload. Okay, modernize your infrastructure with an open and disaggregated consume as you like model, like when you go to cloud, so whatever you consume, according to that you pay money to cloud providers. So the same way for network, and fully integrated system with validated design. And we have very exciting news. Cisco combined with NVIDIA innovations to simplify the deployment of generative AI. Generative AI is a big subject. Through generative AI technology, generative AI application providing IT visibility. IT visibility means you can see inside of your network, and then you can figure out things very quickly. And analytics across the entire AI infrastructure stack. So based on those analytics, based on that telemetry, based on that capture data, we can take our decisions. Cisco Nexus Hyper Fabric AI clusters. Those are Hyper Fabric AI clusters. Make it easy for enterprise customer to build infrastructure to run generative AI models and inference applications without deep IT knowledge and skills. Let's see, you are very experienced person working for last 10 years or 20 years with networks, so in and out. But there is some guys like junior guys, they are not really very experienced when you are dealing with Cisco hyper fabric. So they can also troubleshoot things with the help of AI intelligence. Oh, we are new, but we have a big database connected with Cisco Hyper Fabric, and with the help of that, we're gonna figure out network problem, and they can even fix issues. Okay, sometimes people think because of AI, maybe human will lose job or like that is another topic, but now whatever products are coming because of AI intelligent, even junior engineers can fix things quickly. Sometime or sometime not. Okay, so just quick idea. Exclusive cloud management capabilities help customer easily deploy, manage, and monitor data centers, co-location facilities, and edge sites. So Cisco very working closely with cloud providers like Microsoft Azure, and also Google Cloud and some other cloud providers. Okay, so Cisco working very closely with them. Okay. So now I really prefer questions. If you guys have any question, please feel free to ask. And yes.
Thank you, Talib. That was most informative. Now, I know everyone is looking forward to the Q&A session, so go ahead and start putting in your questions into the question panel. And while you're doing that, I'd like to give the presentation rights over to Natika Singh, our Deputy Manager Product Marketing, who's going to introduce our promotions and webinar-related courses.
Thank you for extending the opportunity to speak with the audience today. I hope the session was informative and it added value to your learning experience. You can watch the event recording by clicking the Access Recording button here. Now, I would like to highlight Netcom learning capabilities and why we are the best when it comes to training and learning services. Recognized by Microsoft as the winners of the Partner of the Year awards 2 years in a row, 2023 and 2022, we excel in guiding organizations to achieve peak performance while addressing their challenges through comprehensive organizational learning solutions. Our dedication since 1998 has led us to service over 80% of Fortune 1000 companies and served 100 plus US military bases. We have trained over 1 million professionals and helped 36,000 plus organizations achieve their business goals. We have a huge portfolio of more than 3,300 certified trainers who are subject matter experts in their domains. Our dedication to providing customized learning methods is why we are awarded as the top 20 IT training companies by trainingindustry.com. Moving ahead, being a platinum learning partner of Cisco, I would like to announce our upcoming schedules of Cisco training that you can explore through this handout. To add value to your learning curve, we encourage you to leverage free on-demand training and blog on Cisco certifications. If you would like to maximize your Cisco ROI with unlimited access to in-depth training and hands-on labs, then enroll in our Cisco U Essentials and Cisco U All Access subscriptions. Cisco U is a digital learning experience that recommends personalized content for each learner spanning through Cisco and Cisco adjacent technologies, including unlimited access to hands-on labs. Cisco U is more than just a digital learning subscription. It's a thriving community of learners and creators for learning and growing. As a Cisco Platinum Learning Partner, Netcom Learning helps organizations purchase authorized Cisco training with Cisco Learning credits to increase the technical competencies of their employees and deliver greater technology returns. Cisco Learning Credits, or CLCs, are prepaid training vouchers redeemed directly with Cisco that help you purchase, redeem, and manage Cisco training courses. You can use your CLCs to upgrade your team's expertise with our authorized Cisco training available for public and private training schedules. You can also take the advantage from Learning Passport, which is Netcom Learning solution, to flexible team training. It is designed to be customized for the number of learners you train on top technology vendors like Microsoft, Cisco, CompTIA, Adobe, and more. The single package can be redeemed for over 4,000 plus official courses with a validity of 12 months. All right. Now, let's talk about something that we know is important to many of you: value. We are excited to share some special limited time discounts designed to help you advance your Cisco learning journey without stretching your budget. First, we have the CCNA instructor led training, now priced at just $2,775, down from $4,175. This is ideal for those who want to master CCNA fast with live expert led sessions designed to keep you engaged and exam ready. Next, the complete certification bundle is available for $3,895, regularly $5,275. This all in one package includes instructor led training, e learning, and an exam voucher, giving you everything you need for certification success. And for learners who prefer more flexibility, there's Cisco U All Access, now $5,400, reduced from $6,000. This provides unlimited self-paced learning access, so you can learn anywhere, anytime at your own pace. Just a quick reminder, these discounts are only valid through July 18th. So if you're planning to take the next step in your Cisco learning journey, be sure to claim your discount soon. I would like to introduce you to Netcom Plus Learner subscription, which is complimentary for all the attendees. Netcom Plus provides you access to more than 400 e-learning courses across various technologies and vendors. I would recommend you all to visit Netcom Learning's website for more information on our courses and certifications, free virtual events, our latest blogs and ebooks, and promotion offers. If you want to build a smarter workforce and drive business growth, I highly recommend you go through the book Building an Innovative Learning Organization by Russell Sarder, CEO of Netcom Learning. You can easily find this book on Amazon. For the latest updates on IT and business training, follow us and subscribe to our social media handles. Thank you for joining us. Have a great day.
Thanks so much for guiding us through that valuable information, Natika. And now we're going to go ahead and jump right into our question and answer session. If you haven't yet, it's not too late to pop your questions into the question panel. And as we start our Q&A sessions, we're also going to launch a quick poll that we want to invite you to participate in. Doing so helps us to know how we can better serve you by telling us who might be interested in more information or in taking some additional training. In addition, we have a lot more informative webinars coming up, so please go to netcomlearning.com/webinars in order to register. What is artificial intelligence or AI?
Okay, very good questions. Artificial intelligence, like I mentioned before, simulates intelligent decision making in computer. It is not uncommon for some to confuse artificial intelligence with machine learning. Sometimes people confuse what is machine learning, what is artificial intelligence, which is one of the most important categories of artificial intelligence. Machine learning can be described as the ability to continuously statically learn from data without explicit programming. That is machine learning. And artificial learning means we use intelligence, algorithms. So it's like a simulate human. Okay, so we basically use those checks and algorithms. So that is a basic idea of artificial intelligence. Okay.
What are the advantages of AI and ML in networking?
Okay, what kind of advantages we have AI and machine learning in a network? Very good question. So the benefits of implementing AI and machine learning technology in networks are becoming increasingly evident as networks become more complex and distributed. Nowadays, networks are not very simple. Like in older days, networks, like you are sitting in a one office, you have servers over there on prime devices. Now things are distributed. And after COVID-19, people are working from home, and even still people are working from home, working on customer side, lots of IoT based devices, cameras, and even they are using their own devices. So now network is very challenging. So how we can fix, or how we can troubleshoot, how we can secure that network. So that's why we are using AI and machine learning. AI and machine learning improves troubleshooting. That's what I was talking about. And we can very quickly solve our issues, errors, and provides remediation guidelines. It brings about critical insights to improve user and application experience. AI and machine learning can be used to respond to problem in a real time, as well as predict problem before they occur. It also augments security insight by improving threat response and mitigation. Okay. So any other question, please?
How does AI transform networking?
Okay. Using AI and machine learning, network analytics customize the network baseline for alerts. Oh, okay, this is my baseline. This is my normal network operation. Okay, so that's the idea of baseline. So reducing noise and false positive while enabling IT teams to accurately identifying issues, trends, anomalies, and root causes. Like false positive, like I gave you example of Tina. Tina actually traveling from New York to Paris, and whenever she wanna do some shopping, or maybe want to buy some perfumes in Paris, okay, I mean, her credit card is not working because this false positive information goes to application. Maybe application thinks somebody in France or somebody using, I mean, misbehaving or using her credit card. So because of this artificial intelligence, we basically can, I mean, stop those kind of things. We can mitigate those false, I mean, positive issues. Okay. AI ML techniques, along with, I mean, crowdsourced data like huge data, are also used to reduce unknown and improve the level of certainty in decision making. So that's the key. Level of certainty is very important, and we are getting better and better because of AI. Okay. Or any other question, please?
How important are AI and ML technologies in managing and monitoring today's networks?
Oh, very good question. Because why it's very important? Because collecting anonymous telemetry data across thousands of networks provides learning that can be applied to individual networks. Every network is unique, but AI, I mean, technique let us find where there are similar issues and events and guide remediation. In some cases, machine learning algorithms may strictly focus on a given network. In other use cases, the algorithm may be trained across a broad set of anonymous data sets, and also dealing with more data. Okay, so the idea is, we can use data and algorithms and take decisions. Okay, thank you very much. If anybody have any question, please feel free to ask.
Once again, I want to remind you that as you leave this session today, you will be presented with a short survey. We would like to request for you to help us by taking a quick moment to participate in that survey. Your feedback really helps us understand your learning experience as we are constantly looking at how we can improve our future sessions. The survey answers are measured on a scale of 1 to 5, 5 representing outstanding and 1 representing poor. We want to thank all of you for joining us today, and if you do come up with any additional questions, feel free to send them to webinar@netcomlearning.com at any time. We hope that you found today's webinar informative, and we look forward to seeing you back here with us soon. Feel free to tell your friends and colleagues about our webinars and other courses. Have a great day, everyone.